This is HomeTalk with home improvement expert Michael King on the USA Home Improvement Show Network. If you have a question or a comment concerning home improvement, new construction, renovations, or home repairs, Michael King will get you the answers. And now, back to HomeTalk with the guru himself, Michael King.
Yay! Welcome back to the only home improvement show dedicated to you, the American consumer. Don't forget, we are streaming live on the World Wide Web at HomeTalkUSA.com. And again, if you want to watch our television show, just go straight to our archives at HomeTalkTV.com. We have about, 60 episodes there now. So that's HomeTalkTV.com. And if you don't want to watch this week's episode, just go to our main website at HomeTalkUSA.com. And again, you can follow us on all your social circles, Facebook, Twitter. The keyword is what? HomeTalk USA. My next guest is Paul Abrams. He's with a company called HurriBond, and he's on the line right now, and we're going to be discussing their adhesive caulk, very innovative adhesive caulking product. I ran across this company at one of the trade shows, and I thought it'd be great to talk to him. I understand he's on the line right now. Hey, Mr. Paul, how you doing, my buddy?
I'm doing fine, Michael. How are you?
If life was any better, I'd be scared to wake up in the morning. But, man, how can you sit there and follow my TV audience? That's going to be a hard act to follow, man, you know?
I understand. I've got my pants legs rolled up and ready to dive in there.
You know how we're going to solve this? We're going to have to get you to do a television episode. So that's what we got to do, right? But
I've been told I got a face for radio. I don't know about television.
Hey, tell us, in order to talk about HurriBond, we really need to take a few steps back and to learn how this remarkable product came about. Can you tell us how HurriBond came about and a little bit about your company?
Absolutely, Michael. And you probably know Smart Vent, which is the flood foundation vent. I'm the national sales manager for them and, of course, vice president of sales and marketing for HurriBond. We were using a competitor's product and had been sending sales for many years to that competitor, and we realized that we needed something a little bit better for the customer that were installing the vents. One, they're stainless steel, marine grade stainless steel, so we had to have something that was going to be strong enough to bond that stainless steel to, masonry, wood, those type things. So we went on a search, and I used to work for a caulk manufacturer many moons ago, and I was like passionate about this, and we actually came up with this formula. It's a hybrid. It's sort of like a silicone adhesive or caulking all in one. And so we actually got the product so it would work with our existing product, Smart Vent.
Now, what separates HurriBond from, from your competition, though,
Right. Well, silicones, everybody uses them, and they usually, when they cure out, you can go right back on top of it, pull it right back out of the window or wherever you're using it. And most caulk will crack, dry out, and you're having to constantly replace that. So what we've done with our formula is actually, like I said, it's a hybrid, a moisture cure, and it takes kind of both the silicone and the caulking and puts it in one product. And the bonding agent for this stuff is just remarkable.
Wow. Now, what's the difference between adhesive and caulk, though? Why don't you tell our audience if there is a difference?
Well, adhesives, you're putting something to stay. You want it to bond, just like a glue. Caulking is more or less a filler, to fill the crack around a window or that type scenario. So caulk's more like a filler. The adhesive's more like a glue.
Oh, that makes sense. A filler and adhesive's like a glue. Adhesive means stick onto something. And now, is HurriBond new to the market, though?
HurriBond is new to the market. We, like I said, we developed the product to work with our vents, our flood vents, because they are in harsh environments. I mean, we're trying to keep floodwaters out of homes. Or allow that water to hold those vents in place. And the product is new to the consumer market. HurriBond this is the first rollout. We've got one product, and we're hoping to go to some other products as well.
Wow. Now, it says formulated for the toughest applications. I'm online, looking at it right now. What applications would those be, though? I mean,
well, like I said, we put it on. We wanted to stick and stay on that 3 marine grade stainless steel to just about any surface out there. We've played around with it, and we call it our test lab back in the back. The guys in the engineering, they actually take this stuff, and they've done some crazy things with it. We've actually gunned it underwater, and it guns. This stuff is as smooth as pudding. Pardon my southern pun, but it's as smooth as pudding. It guns underwater. It adheres underwater. We've taken stuff like rope and glued the ends together and pulled a vehicle with it. That's how strong this bonding agent is. And also taken like a cinder block and adhered it to the wall, another cinder block wall, and 24 hours later, one of our guys actually jumped up on that block hanging from that other wall, and the only thing holding it was our adhesive, HurriBond.
Wow. Now, do I have to do anything to the surface material before I apply the caulk, though?
Well, really, I believe you do. I mean, you want to make sure that you're putting any adhesive or any caulk on a clean surface. But I just got finished. A contractor was doing some work around my house, replaced some windows, and he found some boards that actually had some, cracks in them. And he used this product. He used HurriBond on those windows, and it adhered the windows. He said he'd never seen anything like it. But I do believe getting a clean surface will help everything adhere.
Well, Paul, hold on that thought right there. We got to step away, up against the clock, got a hard break, got to pay some bills, got to hear from some of our great sponsors. We're talking to Paul Abrams with HurriBond. Paul's going to be back on the next segment. I sure hope you stay with us right here on the Home Improvement Broadcasting Network. Don't forget Cajun Mike. That's right. That's me. That's right. Don't forget Cooking with Cajun. Did you know I also do a cooking show here? That's right. I'm America's famous, non-famous Cajun chef that nobody ever heard of. Hey, check it out. Cooking with Cajun every Saturday morning, 8 o'clock. Just go to our website at cookingwithcajun.com. I'm the Cajun Man. Y'all come back now. You hear? Yay!
Welcome back to Home Talk USA with home improvement expert, the Cajun contractor, Michael King, on the Home Improvement Broadcasting Network. If you have a question or comment concerning home improvement repairs, new construction, or renovations, the Cajun contractor will get you the answers. And now, back to Home Talk USA with the Cajun contractor, Michael King.
Yay! Welcome back. We do invite all my Home Talk USA radio listeners to check out my home hardware store, The Handy City at thehandycity.com. Great quality products at discount prices. For helping to patronize this great website, this great home e-commerce store. Basically keeps our show on the air, so none of our guests are charged to be on this radio program. Don't forget, if you have a question or comment, you can drop me an email at CajunContractor@yahoo.com. Or you can go to a website that we have developed called AskMichaelKing.com. AskMichaelKing.com if you want me to personally help you with your home improvement projects. So our main website is HomeTalkUSA.com. You can sign up for our newsletter if you have some tips and advice. Well, you might want to have a guest or a topic. You might want to, maybe that we haven't covered in 15 years. So just drop me an email at CajunContract@yahoo.com. But, hey, we're talking to Paul Abrams. He's with a company called HurriBond. Now, Paul, just for the break, though, we were talking about the HurriBond. And now let me ask you this. Will it work on all surfaces?
Absolutely. We've not found anything that it won't work on.
That's hard to believe. All surfaces. Wow.
All surfaces, yes, sir.
Now, what colors does it come in?
Right now, white and gray. The neat thing about that, Michael, is it's sandable and paintable. So really and truly, the caulk industry, I mean, we did a lot of research, and, of course, with me being in the caulk manufacturing business, white is probably the most sought-after adhesive or caulk. And with it being paintable, you can set up the skim time is like 30 minutes, and you can paint it right then.
Wow, sandable and paintable. That is amazing. Yes. I tell you, that's when it has that much flexibility that you can actually work it that way. Man, I tell you what, I can see the job now. And I tell you, it's a very thought-out product. And, again, it's going to totally change and revolutionize the way we caulk and bond things. You know what I'm saying? But,
we're very excited about it. Yes, sir.
What is the typical cure time, drying time?
The cure time is 24 hours, believe it or not. Most of the products out there, I'm not going to mention them by names, but it's usually up to a week to 2 weeks before that stuff 100% cures out. This is 100% cured in 24 hours.
Wow. 100% cured within 24 hours.
Right.
That is hard to believe, my friend. Wow. Now, is it flammable or toxic after it is dried, though? Because that's got to be a concern, to my audience.
Absolutely not. We are a VOC compliant product, and we've made sure that the product is not flammable and not dangerous. We've used this stuff, like I said, in water. So somebody dealing with like landscaping where they have fish ponds and that type of thing, where they actually stack up the stones in a fountain, this product could be used in that application as well.
Now, what happens if it gets on your skin and clothes, though?
Really, make sure that you wipe it down, the product off your arm with a paper towel or dry product, and then use soap and water. Cleans up.
That's it?
That's it.
Wow. Does it have an odor?
Too easy. No, sir. Absolutely no odor. It's odorless.
I tell you what, whoever's the chemist that developed this, I tell you, he's that person's amazing to come up with something like this.
I wish I could take the credit for it, but I'm not the chemist.
Well, contractors and when you did as many construction projects I have done over the years, those saying, where were you all my life? You know what I mean? But
that's right.
Now, what about animals and plants, though?
With it being a VOC compliant product, I mean that it doesn't hurt the environment. I tell people, I said it won't even hurt the little fishies. So, but it is what I call safe for the environment, and it won't hurt the animals.
Yeah, that was my next question. Is it VOC compliant, though?
Yes, sir, it is. Yes, sir.
Wow. What kind of certifications or testing y'all had to go through this product? Any that y'all follow under?
Absolutely. All the ASTMs, we have to follow those just like any other adhesive or paint product, or just about everything. Even our vents have to follow an ASTM, but ASTM test methods is what we follow.
Wow. Well, hold on that thought right there, my friend. We've got to step away one more time. We're going to come back and get some information, your website, and how can we learn more about HurriBond. So stay tuned right here. We got one more segment to do, and we got about, 8-9 minutes before the top of the hour. And I'm going to be coming back about 6 minutes after the hour. But, hey, we got one more segment in this show, so don't go nowhere. Stay tuned right here on the Home Improvement Broadcasting Network. I'm streaming live on the World Wide Web at HomeTalkUSA.com. Please visit our new and improved and state-of-the-art website. 5 years in the making, HomeTalkUSA.com. Always support your local pin hardware stores and garden centers. And let's pledge to hire a vet today. I'm the Cage Man. Y'all come back now. You hear? Yay!
Welcome back to Home Talk USA with home improvement expert, the Cajun contractor, Michael King, on the Home Improvement Broadcasting Network. If you have a question or comment concerning home improvement repairs, new construction, or renovations, the Cajun contractor will get you the answers. And now, back to Home Talk USA with the Cajun contractor, Michael King.
Welcome back. That's right. We are streaming live on the World Wide Web at HomeTalkUSA.com. Don't forget The Handy City, thehandycity.com. Great quality products at discount prices. We're talking to Paul Abrams with HurriBond. We're learning a little bit about the HurriBond product. Hey, Paul, let me ask you this. Can HurriBond withstand extreme heat and cold?
Absolutely. In sub-zero weather, I don't think we'd want to test it, below zero, but it is a minus 75 up to, I think it's like 200 degrees. So it can be gunned and used in the weather. Yes, sir.
What is the shelf life of HurriBond?
18 months.
Wow, a year and a half. Usually about a year, 18
Right,
months.
right.
Wow.
And cardboard tubes, we're actually in a plastic tube, and plastic tubes seal better than the cardboard tubes, so you get a little bit longer shelf life. But 18 months is what we got, sir.
You said it is ASTM compliant, right? International Testing Method, right? Compliant?
That's correct. Yes, sir.
Wow. How much will one of these cartridge tube cover, though? I mean, how much area?
Well, it really depends on how happy you are with the gun, and of course, how big you cut the opening. Our vents are 8 by 16, and one tube will actually adhere 6 of our vents with the average bead.
Now, what is? I guess I want to ask. I mean, we only got about a minute left, but why should I really give this a shot, though?
It's totally different than anything else we've used in the field. I mean, I've been in the remodeling business myself early on in life. Dealt with a lot of contractors. I've worked for some dealers, retailers, and I've never seen anything like this. I mean, you can use this from windows to cracks in the concrete to putting a piece of rope together and pulling a car.
Wow. What is the price for one tube, though?
Tubes, believe it or not, something like this in the competitor's products around $12 to $16. We're right at $8.50 a tube.
Wow. Now, where can I buy it?
Go to smartvent.com, and all our stocking dealers for our vents actually have the product, or if they don't, they can get them for you. Or if you got a local retailer, just tell them to reach out to HurriBond.com.
Give us that one more time.
HurriBond, HurriBond.com.
Great, got to run. Thank you so much. We got network break. Thank you so much, Paul.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me.
All right, that's Paul Abrams with HurriBond. All right, one in the can. 2 to go. Stay with us. We're going to break for network news. I'm going to be back about 6 minutes after the hour. This is HomeTalk USA. I'm the Cajun contractor, Michael King, the originator. Y'all come back now, you hear?